The 2023 new GT3 Pro Smartwatch NFC Men AMOLED 390 HD screen heart rate. Bluetooth call waterproof smartwatch for Huawei Xiaomi is a high-end smartwatch with a wide range of features. It has a large, high-resolution AMOLED display, a built-in NFC chip for contactless payments, and a variety of health and fitness tracking sensors. The watch is also waterproof and dustproof, and it has a long battery life. Here is a summary of the key features of the GT3 Pro Smartwatch. AMOLED display with 390 resolution built-in NFC chip for contactless payments, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, distance tracking, calories burned tracking, Bluetooth, calling, music playback, IP68 water and dust resistance, long battery life. The GT3 Pro Smartwatch is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. It is a stylish and feature-rich smartwatch that is perfect for both everyday use and fitness tracking. Here are some of the benefits of using the GT3 Pro Smartwatch. Stay connected with your smartphone without having to take it out of your pocket. Track your health and fitness goals with a variety of sensors. Make contactless payments with the built-in NFC chip. Enjoy a long battery life, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. If you are looking for a high-end smartwatch